use Facebook Lite as a Friends app to connect and keep up with your social network. The Facebook Lite app is small, allowing you to save space on your phone and use Facebook in 2G conditions. Let's see how to install Facebook Lite on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play. So open Google Play. On the search above, write Facebook Lite. Now tap on search. After you have found the app, just tap on install and wait. You have now installed Facebook Lite on your Android device. Just tap on open. Here, you can create a new account, log in with a current account, or simply find your account. Just do what action you want and the app will be ready to be used. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.